Welcome to this brief overview of the bid management solution from Team IM. Team offers a suite of tools designed to help construction companies manage the challenge of sharing and controlling information related to projects. Our bid management solution is designed to help organizations that need to evolve beyond unreliable and uncontrolled email-based processes, yet want to avoid the costly and rigid construction management solutions that dominate the market today. Bid management from Team delivers a refreshing, cost-effective, and flexible solution that meets these needs. Bid management leverages the mConnect user portal and mFiles content management platform to deliver a comprehensive solution for the entire bid process. Bids are tracked from the point of creation through awarding the bid and signing the contract. All communications and documents are carefully controlled and secured. Actions taken during the bidding process are logged while notifications and reminders of critical dates are sent via email to all participating parties. Bids can be sealed, and any changes during the bid process are monitored and clearly communicated. These features and many others in the bid management solution have been designed from the ground up to deliver a streamlined yet comprehensive approach to managing bids. Now let's take a look at the bid management solution in action. We'll play multiple roles as we explore the solution, but we'll start the day as Sally, who is a subcontractor. Sally has just received an email notifying her that her company has been invited to submit a bid for some work. This email notification and all others in the solution can be formatted to contain company logos and wording. When she clicks on the link in the email, she's taken to the mConnect Construction Management Portal. The Construction Management Portal prompts Sally to log in, and then she's taken directly to the bid request where she can see information about the project and the work to be done. The amount of information she sees is determined by settings within the system. She can easily preview the bid request documents or download them to her computer. Once she knows whether her company is going to bid on the work, she can accept or decline the bid request. Accepting the bid request enables communications between Sally and the company and provides the ability for Sally to begin uploading bid response documents. Now we're going to go back to our list of all pending bid requests and follow up on one of the bid requests that we had questions about. Whenever one of Sally's messages receives a response, she is notified with an email containing a link to the portal where the new message is clearly identified. With her questions answered, Sally can now prepare her bid response documents. When they're ready, she can go to the Response Document tab, upload the response documents, and mark the bid request complete. Once a bid response is uploaded, Sally can still update it or delete it right up until the moment the bid request closes. With the bid request marked complete, let's switch roles and see how the bid management solution appears to people inside the organization. Our employees interact with the bid management solution using the mFiles interface of their choice. They can use web, mobile, and desktop applications to manage the bids. The information is presented using standard mFiles views, as we can see here within the web user interface. Switching to the mFiles desktop user interface, we see the same information. This view shows us exactly what's going on with our bids. Notice that we have several bid packages underway at the moment, each with multiple bid requests sent to various subcontractors. If we expand the culvert and bridge decking package, we can see that there are two bid requests and that they're both in a new bid request state. This means our subcontractors have not reviewed them yet. Now if we switch roles for a moment and go back to Sally, she sees the same bid request and it says new. Once she views the bid request, it's no longer new. Switching back to the role of an employee, we see that the bid request now says that it's under initial review. The bid management solution provides this type of real-time tracking throughout the process, so we are always fully informed as to the status of each bid request. Now let's take a closer look at how bid packages are created. A bid package is an object in mFiles, and it is created using standard mFiles functionality. When we want subcontractors to bid on some work, we create a bid package to store information such as critical dates and provide references to a project, subcontractors, and contacts. We can choose any number of documents from our project to add to the bid package. These are documents from the project that will be shared with the subcontractors in the mConnect portal. We can also add standard documents such as policies and procedures which are not project specific. Also, we can specify a template to use as the bid invitation. This generates a customized invitation for each company and contains any information we want from the bid package, such as the due date. Finally, we create the bid package. With the bid package created, we can review it, add or remove documents, update the list of subcontractors and contacts, and update any other information. When it's all set, we create the bid request by changing the workflow state. Creating bid requests makes a frozen in-time copy of all the documents on the bid package to ensure that all bidders see the exact same version of the documents when they're preparing their responses, and any changes to those documents are managed through the bid change process. With the bid package created, we have one last opportunity to review and approve the information before sending it to our subcontractors. Sending the bid package will create and send a notification email like the one Sally received earlier in the demo to all subcontractors. Our subcontractors can then begin preparing their responses. As the due date approaches, subcontractors receive a reminder that they need to complete their bid request, and finally on the due date, all bid requests are automatically closed. Depending on the project and bid package settings, submitted bid requests can be sealed until the bidding period closes. At that point, all packages are unsealed for internal review. If we refresh our screen, we can see the bid package we just created is now open for response, and another of our bid packages has automatically moved to close pending award since we've reached its closing date. Now that the bid package is closed to response, the documents that have been uploaded by our subcontractors are unrestricted and can be reviewed internally. After the internal reviews are complete, one of the submitted bid responses is chosen and awarded the work outlined in the bid package. At this point, the subcontractor who is awarded the work is notified, and the next step in the process is to draft a contract between the subcontractor and the company. The bid management solution comes with a pre-built contract creation and approval process. The contract process can easily be configured to meet the unique needs of any organization, including situations where contracts aren't required at all. We'll show the default contract process here. Using mFile's template technology, we can create a contract that's specific to this bid package from a predefined template on the system. Information from the project and bid package will automatically get filled in on the contract, which makes the process accurate, reliable, and simple. The document that gets created can be updated as needed using standard MS Office tools like Word, and then the finished contract is checked in and sent for approval. We send the contract for internal approval using mFile's workflow. If we have the appropriate permissions, we can approve the contract ourselves. Once approved, the contract can be sent out for signature using an e-signature process or manually printed and mailed to obtain signatures. Once the electronic signatures have taken place, the status of our contract is automatically updated, and we're able to review the original and the signed contract. The signature process allows placement of signatures, titles, dates, and other information anywhere within the contract. With the signed contract in place, we can now activate the contract and assign it to a bid request that was awarded the work. If there were issues with the contract process, the bid management solution has the ability to revoke the awarded bid request and award it to a different subcontractor instead. After the contract is activated, the other subcontractors who submitted bid requests are notified that they were not awarded the contract. Now that the contract is signed and the other bidders are notified, the documents that were uploaded to the winning bid request are published to the project as unrestricted documents. This completes the bid package lifecycle. With the bid package complete, we can see how the bid management solution delivers a comprehensive approach for managing bids that is significantly easier and more controlled than email-based processes, while still being more flexible and cost-effective than third-party construction management applications. For more information about bid management and the construction management solutions offered by TeamIM, please visit www.teamim.com.